Have you ever heard of a plant that can provide you with more than 90 nutrients, 46 antioxidants, and 36 anti-inflammatory compounds? A plant that can help you fight diabetes, cancer, and inflammation, while also improving your skin, hair, and digestion. A plant that has been used for centuries as a food and medicine in many cultures, and is now gaining popularity as a superfood around the world. If you are curious to know more about this amazing plant, then stay tuned, because in this video, we are going to explore the transformative health benefits of Moringa powder. Welcome to this video on the top 8 health benefits of Moringa powder. Moringa powder, derived from the dried leaves of the Moringa tree, is hailed as a nutritional powerhouse. This tree thrives in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. Bursting with protein, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and flavonoids, Moringa leaves surpass many common foods in nutrient content. Its medicinal properties offer potential health benefits, from disease prevention to overall well-being enhancement. In this video, we will discuss some of the most remarkable health benefits of Moringa powder, backed by scientific studies or credible sources, and provide you with practical tips on how to integrate Moringa powder into your diet. So let's get started. Number 1. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. One of the main benefits of Moringa powder is its ability to scavenge free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage the cells and cause oxidative stress, which is linked to aging, chronic diseases, and cancer. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can also lead to various health problems, such as arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. Moringa powder contains a high amount of antioxidants, such as vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, quercetin, and chlorogenic acid, that can neutralize free radicals and protect the cells from oxidative damage. Moringa powder also contains anti-inflammatory compounds such as camphorol, caffeoquinic acid, and zeatin that can modulate the immune system and inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are molecules that trigger inflammation. By consuming Moringa powder regularly, you can boost your antioxidant defenses and reduce inflammation, which can improve your overall health and prevent many diseases. Number 2. Lowering blood glucose levels and preventing diabetes. Another benefit of Moringa powder is its ability to lower blood glucose levels and prevent diabetes. Diabetes is a metabolic disorder that occurs when the body cannot produce or use insulin properly, resulting in high blood glucose levels, which can cause serious complications such as nerve damage, kidney failure, and blindness. Moringa powder can help regulate blood glucose levels by enhancing insulin secretion and sensitivity, increasing glucose uptake by the cells, and reducing glucose absorption by the intestines. Moringa powder can also lower blood cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which are risk factors for cardiovascular disease, a common complication of diabetes. By adding Moringa powder to your diet, you can lower your blood glucose levels and prevent or manage diabetes, as well as protect your heart health. Number 3. Protecting and nourishing the skin. Moringa powder can also benefit your skin, as it contains many nutrients and antioxidants that can protect and nourish it. Moringa powder can help your skin by hydrating and moisturizing it, as it contains vitamin A, vitamin E, and essential fatty acids that can improve the skin barrier function and prevent water loss. Preventing and reducing wrinkles, sagging, and age spots, as it contains vitamin C, vitamin E, and flavonoids that can stimulate collagen and elastin production, protect the skin from UV damage, and reduce oxidative stress. Healing wounds, infections, and skin diseases, as it contains vitamin C, zinc, and antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory compounds that can enhance wound healing, fight infections, and reduce inflammation. Number 4. Protecting and nourishing the hair. Moringa powder can also benefit your hair, as it contains many nutrients and antioxidants that can protect and nourish your hairs. Moringa powder can help your hair by strengthening and preventing hair loss, as it contains protein, iron, zinc, and biotin that can promote hair growth, prevent hair breakage, and reduce hair shedding. Conditioning and adding shine, as it contains vitamin A, vitamin E, and essential fatty acids that can moisturize the scalp, nourish the hair follicles, and add luster to the hair. preventing and treating dandruff, scalp infections, and hair problems, as it contains vitamin C, zinc, and antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory compounds that can cleanse the scalp, balance the scalp pH, and treat scalp conditions. By using Moringa powder as a supplement or a topical application, you can improve the health and appearance of your skin and hair, and enjoy a more youthful and radiant look. Number 5. Treating stomach disorders and improving digestive health. Moringa powder can also help you treat stomach disorders and improve your digestive health, as it contains many nutrients and compounds that can support your gastrointestinal system. Moringa powder can help your digestion by relieving constipation, diarrhea, and ulcers, as it contains fiber, vitamin B, and anti-ulcer agents that can regulate bowel movements, increase stool bulk, and protect the stomach lining. Improving liver function and detoxification, as it contains vitamin C, vitamin E, and polyphenols that can prevent liver damage, enhance liver enzymes, and increase bile production. Preventing and treating intestinal parasites, as it contains saponins, tannins, and antimicrobial compounds that can kill or expel worms and bacteria from the intestines. By consuming Moringa powder regularly, you can treat stomach disorders and improve your digestive health, which can also boost your immunity and metabolism. Number 6. Preventing and treating cancer. The other benefit of Moringa powder is its ability to prevent and treat cancer, one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Cancer is a disease that occurs when the cells grow abnormally and uncontrollably, forming tumors that can invade and destroy other tissues and organs. Moringa powder can help fight cancer by inhibiting the growth and spread of cancer cells, as it contains flavonoids, phenolic acids, and glucosinolates that can modulate the cell cycle, induce apoptosis, and suppress angiogenesis. Enhancing the effectiveness of chemotherapy and radiotherapy, as it contains vitamin C, vitamin E, and selenium that can protect the normal cells from oxidative damage, reduce the side effects of the treatments, and increase the sensitivity of the cancer cells to the treatments. Number 7. Immune system. Moringa powder is renowned for its ability to bolster the immune system and stave off infections, owing to its rich composition of essential nutrients and immunomodulatory compounds. Among its notable constituents, vitamin C and zinc stand out for their pivotal roles in enhancing immune function. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant abundant in Moringa powder, plays a crucial role in supporting the production and activity of white blood cells, antibodies, and natural killer cells, the body's frontline defenders against pathogens and cancer cells. Similarly, zinc, another key nutrient found in Moringa powder, contributes to immune health by regulating immune responses and promoting the function of immune cells. Moreover, Moringa powder contains a variety of immunomodulatory compounds that exert regulatory effects on the immune system. These bioactive compounds have been shown to stimulate the production and activity of white blood cells, antibodies, and natural killer cells, thereby enhancing the body's ability to mount an effective defense against infections and diseases. By incorporating Moringa powder into your daily routine, you can fortify your immune system and reduce the risk of falling prey to illnesses. Whether added to smoothies, teas, or culinary dishes, Moringa powder offers a convenient and versatile way to support your immune health and overall well-being. Number 8. Brain and bone health. Moringa powder boasts a rich array of nutrients and bioactive compounds that offer dual benefits for brain and bone health. Its vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially enhancing cognitive function and memory. Meanwhile, its calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamin K strengthen bones, increase bone mineral density, and prevent osteoporosis. Incorporating Moringa powder into your diet provides a convenient way to support both brain and bone health, promoting overall well-being. Moringa powder offers a bundle of health benefits, from antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to blood glucose regulation and skin nourishment. Its versatility allows for easy incorporation into various dishes, smoothies, or homemade teas. The recommended daily dosage is 1–2 teaspoons, but consult your doctor beforehand, especially if pregnant, breastfeeding, or with existing medical conditions. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the transformative health benefits of Moringa powder. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting videos. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know what you think about Moringa powder, or if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. We'll see you next time.